A new breed of chopper was born to take advantage of this technology. This machine was the AH-64 Apache. When it entered service in 1986, the AH-64 Alpha Apache was the most sophisticated attack helicopter ever designed. Even today, 10 years after its introduction, it remains the ultimate aircraft of its kind. Swift and powerful, the Apache flies at over 150 miles an hour. With its high-tech electronics, this machine can attack day or night and strike with absolute precision. Of course, helicopters lack the armor of a tank, but the Apache is well equipped to attack armored forces with limited risk. The answer lies not in its firepower, but in the defensive characteristics of its design. The Apache's cat-like agility makes it much harder to target and hit. To avoid heat-seeking missiles, Apaches emit a low heat signature, and additional countermeasures are in place. Above the fuselage sits the ALQ-144, or disco ball. The disco ball sends out a powerful infrared signal around the Apache, which will confuse heat-seeking surface-to-air missiles. As an extra measure, flares can be released from the dispenser on the side of the aircraft's tail. Onboard radar jammers and chaff dispensers help the Apache elude the threat of radar-guided missiles. In addition, the crew compartment of the AH-64 is like a steel bowl, impenetrable to small arms fire. For both survivability and power, these battle choppers are outfitted with 2 engines, in case either one should be knocked out. But defensive skills are only a last resort, for the Apache is built to attack by stealth. An efficient predator, the Apache will silently move into position and wait, then strike its stunned prey with a sudden onslaught. Although the Apache sounded good on paper, there was still one big concern. How would it perform under fire?